Hello, my students. I'm here to show you how to use a program that is for building your own circuits. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to Google and you're going to type DC circuits Phet. Phet. I will leave the instructions for you and the link for you on the hub, but I just want to show you how to find this. So you're going to Google DC circuit Phet, and then you're going to search. So what you see here, you'll see circuit construction kit, DC, series, parallel, whatever. So you're going to pick the one that says DC only or DC, whichever you want to pick, okay? So you're going to click on DC, and you can see something like that is going to show up. Circuit Construction Kit DC, okay? And it will give you two options, intro and then lab. I want you to pick the lab, click on it, and this is the screen you're going to have, okay? And I want you to start practicing building circuits, okay? So all we're going to do, we'll just, bring this. This is my wire. And if you see these little blue dots, those are representing electrons. And then you want to connect your battery to the wire. If you want two batteries, make sure the negative and positives are back to back. And here's again another wire. I can build it like that. Then I put another wire. I can put a switch. Then I can put a light bulb. So here you have to be very careful that your light bulb, the bottom circle here, connects to the wire. The other circle will get connected to the next wire, okay? If you want to add another bulb again, connect, and then connect the second wire in here. So now I'm going to connect. And as you can see, the circuit is incomplete, means there is no electricity going. Electrons are not moving because the circuit is open or the switch is open. Now I'm going to close the circuit and you can see the electrons start to flow. And that's how I have electricity. So these little blue dots are representing electricity. Now, if you don't like this wire, for example, you want to get it out, you click on it and it becomes yellow. You right click on it, all right? Or there must be, oh, here, it should be in the bottom somewhere, something to cut. Oh, here. So if you want to cut to disconnect, you get this little scissors picture, so disconnecting. Now come here, disconnect, and you can actually put this in the garbage, or you just simply click on it, garbage, and that will disappear, okay? So let's try again. So if you want to disconnect, you're going to click, you get the scissor, it will disconnect, because sometimes you might put it in the wrong place. Look what happens. If I put it in the wrong place, I'm not getting anything in this light bulb. So I have to just make sure I disconnect and I put it in the right place. And now I have my electricity going very nicely. All right. So on the right side, you'll see two things. It's called voltmeter, which we're going to learn in the future. Okay. And then the ammeter. The best one I want you to use is that you can grab this and bring it on top of here and read this number. So anywhere in the circuit, so you can grab this and bring it anywhere you want and read the numbers, okay? That's how you measure the current. I'll put it back in there. Voltmeter, it has to go to two sides of something to measure. So you can see it says 18 volts. If I want to measure something here, I got to bring it to the sides. And I'm getting 9 volts, okay? So it's very important that you know this app very well. Again, here you can see electrons. So these little things are representing your electrons. And it's going from negative terminal all the way to the positive terminal. So it's going like that, right? Just a little video for you to be able to work with this. And if you want to see how this looks like in symbol, you can change it here. You can see over here. So I'm just changing it. So you can see it changed my battery to the big line, little line, big line, little line. My light bulbs changed to this little funny symbols. But I prefer you stick with the actual pictures. Okay? All right.